You know, there are many famous landmarks here in Chicago, but none is more loved than the Weiner Circle. Let's face it, people love the Weiner Circle. People go there for the Chicago hot dogs and also for the extremely hostile staff. See, they put down the customers who in turn yell back at them. It's a tradition. It's fun, it's intense, it's very, very vulgar, all right? We thought as an experiment, we would send to the Weiner Circle the nicest, most polite person we know, Jack McBrayer of 30 Rock. Look at that face, such a nice guy. We wanted to see how Jack would handle this incredibly abusive environment. Here now is his report.
What the hell you want to eat? Get in line, let's go, Nick! Who needs to get out? Order now or get the out. Put your midget in. $35 plus my tip. Help us get out welfare.
Step up, you game bangers.
Hey, Conan. I'm here right outside the Weiner Circle. Thanks so much for sending me here. I'm real excited. I've heard great things, and it looks like there's a lot going on in there. So come on, let's go check it out.
Why are you yelling at me?
It's not even done. Why are you?
Why you crying?
Next hungry bitch in line, step up.
What you want?
I don't know the difference between a Vienna Red Hot and a char dog.
One char dog, one cheddar burger.
I'm talking to you.
I'm letting you know I just want a hot dog.
Do you want to charge a sting? You slow mother.
I would like a regular char dog. And mustard and ketchup, please.
So you want the mustard and cheese? Bitch, that's a cheddar dog. With cheese.
Hey, wipe your face. You sweat like the mother. What's going on? You need to stop doing them drugs, mother.
I don't do drugs at all.
Don't do meth, sir. It's not good.
I've never done that.
Well, you doing something. What the you nervous for? Ginger boy? Yeah, you look like Andy, the orphan.
Can you sing something for us?
No, he look more like Ken.
Don't make him sit.
Barbie's my boyfriend.
Malibu Ken. Where's Barbie, asshole? Gingerbread
I'm a paying customer.
Give me that knife. Put the fab in there. Thank you.
You can't force people to tip.
Out of here. Get the
You're very rude.
Whoever the gave you that toupee, that's rude.
I'm going to leave.
I don't give
You treated me very rude. I'm coming back with a friend, and you will be very sorry.
Yeah, Bill. You ain't your friend. You're going to be very soft. You ain't your friend. Next bitch and yellow and raggedy ass dog be like,
Who's calling who a bitch?
you up, you
Oh yeah, you skanky smurf. You listen to me, Queen Laquifa. Listen to you and your mouth. Do you kiss your pimp with that mouth? You know what they say?
Are you f***ing his dog?
What's wrong with that? What's wrong with that? That's perfectly natural where he comes from. Why are you so mean to this kid?
Yeah.
His sisters used to tease him mercilessly, especially during sex.
That's what you tell sisterhood.
That's not true.
Don't be ashamed.
Hey,
Tell your honor, put some in your flower.
you know why you guys work for tips? Because no one will stick the whole thing in. That's right. Oh yeah. Oh no, you didn't go to high school. Oh no, you didn't wash your ass today. Oh no, you didn't. Oh yeah. Oh no, you didn't. Yeah. Your mama's and your daddy's and your sister's and your uncle's mouth. And that's right. I said it, and you know I'm gonna stick my head in the marble sofa where the faces fall off and the juice says you ain't all that. That's when you gonna take me out to the ball game. Buy me some peanuts and Cracker Jack. I don't even care if I ever come back. Joseph and the amazing Technicolor Green Coat, fried green tomatoes. Stephen A. Smith, Sisterhood of the Traveling Pants. That's right, America Ferrara, 800-588-2300. Empire, bitch. Why do you say hurtful things? Words matter. Seriously.
Seriously.
Yelling at people like this for a living? How do you sleep in your car at night?
Look at your mama right here for sure.
Holy I didn't know Tyler Perry worked here. Oh my God. I love you, Medea, bitch.
It's your owner choice.
Hey, leave the nerd on my arm out of
It's your
this.
owner choice.
Oh, man, nothing gets past you,
Yeah, whatever.
especially carbohydrates. Am I right? Oh, yeah. Up here, up top, bitch. All right. All right. I love you. I love you,
I love you.
Gucci. I love you. You're like Nicki Minaj, minus the everything. Can we work for you?
No.
No, we want to show you how it's done. Come on. No, we're coming in there and showing you how it's done.
Char dog, char dog.
You want a char dog? How about a shut up with cheese? Right? Walk away. Walk away, asshole. Oh, yeah. Pile it on, Jack. Relish, onions, disinfectant.
Yeah, I'll take a hot dog chart.
Jack, take this guy. I gotta get him out of here.
Do you want this wiener to go, or would you like to shove it up your ass right here?
Very good. Very good.
Shut up!
That's good. That's not bad.
Bitch, tip!
Hey, bitch, put your hand down.
Bitch, put your hand down! No, you listen. I have your food coming at you, or I don't.
Yes, he does. Oh, yes, he does.
yes, I do.
Oh, yes, he does, bitch. Oh, yeah, he does.
Yeah.
Oh, yes, he does.
I told you I'd get you.
Now we...
You gonna sign this titty before you go.
To common understanding.